Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 10 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter Similarity. The lessons we're going to cover today are similar triangles and indirect measurement, parameters of similar figures, similarity rules for triangles. Similar triangles and similarity transformations. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Similar triangles and indirect measurement. Find n. Okay, so we need to find the side length of n. Write your answer as a whole number or decimal. Okay, so basically they are the similar figures, right? Now, how do I read this? Let me try. Okay, so triangle JIH is similar to triangle KIL because all three pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. One pair of corresponding side length is IL and IH. Basically, we need to form a proportion. IL divided by IH equals LK divided by HA. So the IL is IH plus HL, that is 5 plus 5, 10, and IH is 5 divided by LK 6 over N. So that equals. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, find the side length of T. So we need to find that T, right? The triangles are similar, so we need to form a proportion. LM is similar to KJ and MN is similar to NK. We need to find the corresponding ratio. LM divided by KJ, that equals MN divided by KN. So LM is 6 over 3 equals MN is 10 over KN. So that is 2 equals 10 over Kn. So Kn equals 10 divided by 2, that equals 5. So the correct option is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. So let's just form a ratio between the similar sides. Let's just form a proportion between similar sides. KL divided by HJ equals LH divided by IH. No, we need to find LI because that would be KL is 6 over N equals 10 over 5. So N equals 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. In the diagram below, triangle IMLK and triangle JIK is similar, find the side length R. Okay, so IJ is similar to ML and KJ is similar to MK. So that would be 6 over R equals 10 over 5. So 6 over R equals 2 over 1. So R equals 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So option number 2 is the correct option, 3 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is parameters of similar figures. The figures below are similar. The labeled sides are corresponding. So you need to find a proportion between the similar sides. A over B equals 3 over 5. That is 3 by 5 equals P1 over 25. That would be P1 equals 15. Let's just start with the test questions. The figures below are similar. The labeled sides are corresponding. What is the parameter of this smaller triangle? So let's just, that would be 5 over 2 equals P2 over P1. 5 over 2 equals 30 over P1. So that is P1 equals 30 times 2 over 5. That is 60 over 5. That equals 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. The figures below are similar. What is the parameter of the larger pentagon? That is 2 over 1 equals P2 over P1. 2 over 1 equals P2 over 5. So P2 equals 10. The correct option is 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. The figures below are similar. The labeled sides are corresponding. That is 9 over 5 equals P2 over P1. 9 over 5 equals 36 over P1. P1 equals 36. 20 it is. The correct option is 20. Option number 2 is the correct option. The figures below are similar. The labeled sides are corresponding. What is the parameter of the larger square? So we need to find the ratio. First thing we need to make a proportion between their similar sides. So 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter, they are the similar sides. So that is 4 over 3. And then the parameter is P2 divided by P1. So 4 over 3 equals P2 divided by 12. So just solve this equation for P2. That is 4 times 12 over 3. That is P2 equals 16. Option number 2 is the correct option. 16 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is similarity rules for triangles. Are these triangles similar? So we are given the triangles. We need to see if they are similar. Since all these triangles, all three sides of the triangle RST and IJK are given, see if the triangles are similar by the SSS similarity theorem. So just look at the sides. Calculate the ratios of the three parts of the triangle. RS is similar to JK, ST is similar to IJ, and RT is similar to. So the ratio of the corresponding sides are not similar. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Are these triangles similar? Okay, let's just form a proportion between their similar sides. QR is similar to TR. QR is similar to ST. QR is 17 and ST is 15. And QP is similar to SU. That is 22 over 19. RP is similar to UT. That is 15 over 12. So the ratio between the corresponding sides are not similar. So that means that is not a right triangle. The correct option is no, that is not similar. Are these triangles similar? The angles of the triangles are similar, so yes, they are the similar triangles. Are these triangles similar? Okay, let's just form a proportion between the similar sides. So they are ST is similar to IJ, so that is 11 over 9. RS is similar to JK, RS 13 over 13. And RT is similar to IK, that is 15 over 16. So the ratio is not same. So the sides are not similar, that means that is not the triangles are not similar. The correct option is no. The correct option is no. Okay, are these triangles similar? So the correct option is no. We are given the angles and the angles are not similar, so the correct option is no. Are these triangles similar? Okay, let's just see if they have their similar sides have the same proportion. So RS is similar to UV. RS is similar to UV, that is 17 over 14. VW is similar to SQ, that is 11 over 10. And UW is similar to RQ, that is 21 over 19. So the ratios are not similar. That means no, they are not the similar. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is similarity, similar triangles and similarity transformations. You can transform triangle PQR to triangle P dash Q dash R dash by transforming it and then performing a dilation centered at the origin. So triangle PQR is similar to triangle P dash Q dash R dash. Find the translation rule and the scale factor of the dilation. So basically, we need to find the scale factor of the dilation. So P dash is at origin 0, 0, right? And P is at the -5 and -1, right? So the translation is x plus 5 and y plus 1, right? And the scale factor is calculate the ratio of the x coordinates on or the ratio of the y coordinates. The ratio of y coordinates is 4 and 1. Y coordinate. The, s- the scale factor of dilation maps is -2, 1 onto -8, 4. The scale factor is 4. Okay, the next session, right? So we were working on grade 10 math. The chapter we were working on is grade 10 math. The chapter we are working on is similarity. The lessons we have covered today are okay, so we were working on grade 10 math. The chapter we were working on is the lessons we are working on is similar triangles and indirect measurement, parameters of similar figures, and similarity rules for triangles. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can please click on the live chat button. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.